time for another photo walk. I just needed to come out to do some shooting and thought that why not making a video at the same time. I've been, you know, indoors a couple of days and just wanted to come out and to make some images. It's not the best weather, but I think I can find some interesting images. And what I have today is E-M10 MKIII with the 17mm F1.8 lens. And what I'm gonna do is try to find some snow-covered cars. It's been snowing a couple of days ago and there are still some snow-covered cars. And what else interesting I might find. And I'm gonna go with black and white this time. Hi there, my name is Peter Forsgaard and I'm a professional photographer from Helsinki, Finland. And let's start straight away. Kinda hard, it's interesting looking, but I can't really find a proper composition on this. That might work, I don't know. There is some interesting graffitis. I'm a big fan of graffitis because they make, you know, they're usually, the graffitis are really great looking, and then they, you know, they give some color to the city. That's why I got interested in this one here. I don't know if it's gonna make an image or not. Let's have, there's a tree in the back as you can see there, and this one in the front. Let's see if this 17, we will go a bit down and see if this, not really sure if this makes an image. Let's see if the tree works. Yeah, there could be an image here. And then what about the church? There's some kids. I don't really want to get into my photograph, but this is a very special church for me. I got married there many decades ago. Actually hasn't been snowing that much, but problem with spring is that it never comes. It seems that it never will arrive. There was a hint of spring a couple of days ago and then it started snowing again, and now we're back to square one when it comes to spring. That is annoying. Here are some nice snow-covered cars, but they are not covered totally. You can still kind of tell what brand car it is, but it's still a nice shape, I think. Let's get a closer one and see. Let's open up it a bit. And if you have been watching my videos about snow, then you know that you need to overexpose snow in order it to be white. And you can see the slush. This is the fun part of winter. There is some interesting snow in the back of that car. Let's make something out of this. Let's see if this, let's open up. It's plus, you see some overexposing the sky, but it doesn't really matter. And there is some interesting stuff on across the street. Let's see if we can get in the middle of the road. I have the 17mm. Yeah, this one is. The car stopped so he wouldn't be photobombing my picture. That's never happened before. But actually somebody slows down when I'm taking an image across the street. turn this way and look if we can find something here. But I think I have a few pretty fun images of this neighborhood. And at this time, as you can see from the sidewalk, that it's a bit slippery, and also it has some loose snow. I'm not sure if we can go that way. If we go that and get closer to the church, they're gonna renovate it, I guess, because there is some construction going on, or renovation going on. It's a really old church, and don't remember when it was built, but it's old. It's quite old. And of course, these snow-covered benches are also always quite nice. Now I think this way is a bit better. Let's try this. Excuse me, can I take a picture? Is it okay? Is it okay? Just look at your phone, it looks great like that. I love the hood you have. I think that made a good looking image. Usually when you ask people if they want to get their photo taken, they usually are really happy about it. And then you say something nice about their clothes or their appearance or something like that, and then they are really happy. Usually what I do is get an email from them and ask if they want to have the image, but well, I didn't do it this time. Maybe I should have done it. This would be probably a better image later today when the sky is more blue, but what can you do? I'm here now. I just need to get one more image. Always like when people are, you know, putting their windshield wipers like this. No, it's better without the cars. And here we go. Alright, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed the images and the scenery from Helsinki. As I said, this is a bit south from the downtown where I was last time. And it was an interesting thing, and I think I got a few images. And here is the video of my previous photo session. You might want to watch that next. But hey, thanks for watching, and bye for now.